Hey everyone, this is a video to show you how to complete the worksheet titled Analyzing Children's Toys. To do it, you will open up the worksheet that is in Google Classroom. You will then open up the Google slideshow titled Toy Selection Safety. You will go through the slideshow reading the different slides. Pay particular attention to these first 5 slides that tell you about the selection of toys and the safety issues with toys. When you have finished going through the slideshow, you'll then open up this assignment titled Analyzing Children's Toys. It says right here, answer the questions on the chart for each toy/activity. Research on the web to find the different toys. Evaluate 8 toys, 2 for infants, 2 for toddlers, and 4 for preschoolers. So right here is where you will list the toy name. So what I do is I just use Amazon. You will then need to find an infant toy first, so I just type in infant toy. I'm going to pick this one right here. I would just simply copy this name, come back, paste it right here. The age level is for an infant. Concept or skill learned. Right here will tell you it promotes clutching and two-handed play. Usually right there under the description will tell you what the child learns. And then you need to view this and decide if anything is harmful to the child that could be considered a safety consideration. This toy does not have any, so I would just simply put none. You will go through and do different toy for each age category. So like I said, you need to do 2 for infants, 2 for toddlers, and 4 for preschoolers.